Hello 7th standard students, welcome to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we'll discuss about the lesson operations on rational numbers. First we'll discuss about the addition of rational numbers. Now coming to example 1, add 3 by 7 and 6 by 7. So you remember the rational numbers. It is the operations on rational numbers. For that we have to remember both the fractional numbers and the integers. So you know in ordinary fractions, when the denominators are same for addition and subtraction, then the numerator has to be added or subtracted, isn't it? And when the denominators are different, then we have to find out the LCM, then make both the or all the rational numbers into the equivalent rational numbers and then proceed. Okay. So now coming to the first example, here both the numbers are having the same denominators. So it will be 3 by 7 plus 6 by 7 is equal to 3 plus 6 upon 7, that is 9 by 7. For rational numbers, you remember it is a P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Okay. Now coming to the example 2, find the sum of 3 by 10 and minus 7 by 10. First write the question putting the plus sign in between, minus 7 by 10. That is equal to 3 plus bracket minus 7 and denominator is 10. So in integers, you remember when the signs are different, you have to see for the difference, means subtraction. And 3 और 7 में बड़ा नंबर 7 है तो उसका साइन क्या है, माइनस. Put the sign first, minus. 7 minus 3 is 4 upon 10, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So the answer is minus 2 by 5. So if you can convert into the simplest form, convert into the simplest form. Okay. Now coming to the second one, here it is 9 by minus 11 and 8 by minus 11. When the denominator is negative, first convert into positive. Already you know how to convert the negative denominator to positive. You have to multiply by minus 1. So we will directly, here we can write, when you multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1, this one will become minus 9 by 11 plus minus 8 by 11. Now denominator is 11 minus 9 plus minus 8. Now the signs are same, so we have to look for the sum, that is add, and both are negative, so put the negative sign. 9 plus 8 is 17 by 11. So the answer is minus 17 by 11. Is it okay? So now coming to the example 3. So in first and second the denominators are the same. But now the denominators are different. So 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3. Denominators are different. So in lower classes you used to find the LCM, then convert each into the equivalent, isn't it? Equivalent fractions, and then you used to add. Now here we will do the sum here itself. First you will write LCM is equal to. Now when the denominators, when the numbers are prime numbers, you directly multiply them, you will get the LCM. Otherwise, what we have to do is, now 4 and 3, Now see the bigger number. 4 is the bigger number out of this. So now tell me the multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4. So does it come in the table of 3? Is it a multiple of 3? No. 4 twos are 8. Is it a multiple of 3? 8? No. 4 threes are 12. Is it a multiple of 3? Yes. So 12 is the LCM. सबको समझ में आया? अगर ये डिनोमिनेटर के जो भी नंबर से दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स रहेंगे डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई करो. अगर नहीं है तो दोनों में बड़ा नंबर देखो और उसके मल्टीपल्स बोलो. कैसे? टेबल्स बोलने का. अभी 4 का टेबल बोलते जाएंगे तो 4 ones are 4. 3 का टेबल में 4 है? नहीं. 4 twos are 8. 3 का टेबल में है? नहीं. 4 threes are 12. 3 का टेबल में है? Yes. That is why LCM is 12. This is the method how to see the LCM directly. And now convert this into the denominator 12. So 1 by 4 डिनोमिनेटर को 12 करने का. 4 threes are 12. तो न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 प्लस 2 by 3 को 12 में कन्वर्ट करो. 3 4s are 12. सो न्यूमरेटर भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. तो आपको अभी मिला कितना? 4 3 ones are 3 by 12 plus 2 4s are 8 by 12. Now the denominators are same. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 12. So the answer is 11 by 12. Now coming to the fourth sum, in that the first subdivision minus 3 by 11 plus minus 2 by 7. Now see the denominator whether they are positive. Yes. Now see the denominators, they are prime numbers. So LCM will be 11 sevens are 77. Okay. Now minus 3 by 11 into 77 में convert करने का है, multiply by 7 plus minus 2 by 7 77 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11. So here you got minus 3 into 7. Remember the integers in multiplication, different signs, minus, same signs, plus. So minus plus minus 3 sevens are 21 upon 77 plus minus plus minus 11 twos are 22 by 77. Now denominator is same, add the numerators. Why? Because the signs are same. So look for the sum, add, but the sign is minus. 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 2 4 by 77. Answer is minus 43 by 77. Now coming to the second subdivision. Here the denominator is negative. So make it positive by multiplying by minus 1. So it becomes minus 7 by 16 plus minus 3 by 4. Directly we are writing the standard form. Okay, now LCM. Here 16 and 4 are not prime numbers. So see the bigger number 16. 16 ones are 16. 4 का टेबल में है, 4 का मल्टीपल है 16. Yes. So the LCM is 16. Now minus 7 by 16. It will be like that because the LCM is 16. But the second one we have to convert minus 3 by 4 into 4 how much are 16? 4 4s are 16. So multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So you got minus 7 by 16 plus, when you multiply minus plus, it will be minus 3 4s are 12 upon 16, 4 4s are 16. Now signs are same, so here the denominator is 16. Signs are same, so look for the sum, add, माइनस है इसके लिए माइनस डालो, 12 plus 7 is 19. Now the answer is minus 19 by 16. Hope you understood. Example 4. Is it okay? Now coming to the properties of addition of rational numbers. So we'll see the properties for each and every operation. We have to see the properties. So first it is the properties of addition of the rational numbers. So first property is the property 1. The sum remains the same even if we change the order of the addends. That is for two rational numbers x and y, x plus y is equal to y plus x, and this is called as a commutative law of addition. So remember, two rational numbers, they are added in two different ways, interchange, and then you have added, the answer remains the same. This is called as commutative law of addition. If you take the example, minus 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7 should be equal to 5 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7. When you add, denominator is same, minus 2 plus 5. Different sign, so we have to subtract. Bigger number is 5, uska sign hai plus. 5 minus 2 is 3. Answer is 3 by 7. Right side में सेम नंबर सिर्फ इंटरचेंज किए, सो 5 प्लस माइनस 2, डिनोमिनेटर इज 7, 5 minus 2 is 3 by 7. So answer remains the same. Now coming to the property 2, the associative property. Now what is associative property? Sum of three rational numbers remains the same even after changing the grouping of the addends. That is, x, y and z are three rational numbers, then x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. मतलब first two you add, then you add the third one. It should be equal to add second and third and then add the first. Answer remains the same. Now this is called as the associative law of addition. Now example 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4 should be equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4. See, already I have done this sum. It is a example LHS. Here we have to show LHS, RHS. Here it was small, like that only we did. But here it is a bigger sum. So do it separately. LHS 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4. Now first we have to add these two. ये दोनों को add करो. अभी 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. Just multiply 2 3s are 6. Here we are not writing like earlier LCM इतना है वो सब नहीं लिख रहे हैं. Directly हम लिखेंगे 2 into 3 numerator multiply by 3 plus 3 in the denominator. So write 2 by 3, 3 in the denominator. So 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6. Numerator also multiply by 2. Bracket के अंदर डालो, फिर 5 by 4. Now here it will be 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 plus 5 by 4. ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे So 3 plus 4 is 7 by 6 plus 5 by 4. Now 6 and 4, इसमें LCM क्या है? So not the prime numbers. So C 6 is the bigger number. 6 ones are 6. Not there in 4. 6 twos are 12. Yes. 4, it is the multiple of 4. Okay, 6 twos are 12. So 12 is the LCM. So 7 by 6 you write multiplied by 6 twos are 12. So 7 twos are. Plus now 5 by 4. Write it first. 12. 4 threes are 12. 5 threes are. Now multiply and write. 7 twos are 14 by 12 plus 5 threes are 15 by 12. When you add, it will be 14 plus 15 is 29 by 12. That is LHS. Now coming to the RHS, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Now first we have to add the second and the third. So 1 by 2, keep it as it is. Now 3 and 4. 4 is not a prime number, so you can't directly multiply. Now the bigger number is 4. 4 ones are 4. Not there in 3. 4 twos are 8. Not there in 3. 4 threes are 12. Yes. These are multiple of 3. So write 2 by 3. 3 fours are 12. 2 fours are plus 5 by 4. 4 threes are 12. 5 threes are. Now 1 by 2 write as it is. 2 fours are 8 by 12 plus 5 threes are 15 by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. When you add, 8 plus 15 is 23 by 12. Now 2 and 12. Bigger number is 12. 12 ones are 12. 2 के table में है. It is a multiple. So only this we have to convert. 12 is the LCM. 1 by 2. 2 6 are. So multiply the numerator by 6 plus 23 by 12. 1 6 are 6 by 12 plus 23 by 12. When you add 23 plus 6, it is 29 by 12. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So that was a associative property, property 2. Now property 3, it is a when you add 0, when 0 is added to any rational number, the sum is the rational number itself. That means x is a rational number, then x plus 0 is equal to 0 plus x is equal to x. That is why 0 is called the identity element of addition. So when you add 0, the rational number remains the same. That is why it is the identity element of addition. Now 5 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. Now coming to the property 4, every rational number has an additive inverse. Remember, additive inverse, such that their sum is equal to 0. If x is a rational number, then minus x is a rational number such that x plus minus x is equal to 0. That means what? Minus x is called the additive inverse of x. It is also called as the negative of x. Minus x is the additive inverse of x and x is the additive inverse of minus x. Opposite. Signs interchange, the number remains the same. Example, 7 by 9 is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 9. Why? When you add both 7 by 9 plus minus 7 by 9, 9 is the common denominator, 7 plus minus 7 The answer is 0 by 9, that is 0. So when you add a rational number and its additive inverse, the answer remains 0. समझ में आया? एडिटिव इनवर्स का मतलब नंबर सेम है, सिर्फ साइन अलग है. दोनों को ऐड करो, आंसर 0 आएगा. Then it is called as a additive inverse. Okay. Now coming to the example 5, it is a simplified. See, 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7 plus minus 3 by 7 plus minus 5 by 7. तो इनको ऐड करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर इज 7, सेम 3 plus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 5. See the numbers 3 and minus 3, 5 and minus 5. That means 0 plus 0, isn't it? 0 by 7, answer is 0. Okay? 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 by 7 is 0. Now find the value of 3 by 5 plus 5 by 4 minus 7 by 15 minus 3 by 8. तो इधर आप लोगों को ग्रुपिंग करके भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं. सो यू कैन इफ यू वांट यू ग्रुप एंड सी 5 and 15 एक साथ ले लो, 4 and 8 एक साथ ले लो. सो 3 by 5 plus 5 by 4 plus minus 7 by 15 plus minus 3 by 8. If you group 3 by 5 plus minus 7 by 15, then 5 by 4 plus minus 3 by 8. So 5 and 15, the LCM is a 15, isn't it? 15 बड़ा नंबर है, 5 का टेबल में है. So 3 by 5, 5 3s are 15 minus plus minus 7 by 15. It will remain the same. Now 4 and 8, 8 is the LCM. So convert 4 2s are 8 plus minus 3 by 8. So you got here 3 3s are 9 by 15 plus minus 7 by 15 plus 5 2s are 10 by 8 plus minus 3 by 8. Now it is 9 minus 7 is 2 by 15 plus 10 minus 3 is 7 by 8. Now 15 and 8 LCM is 120. Directly it will be 120. You can find out the LCM and you will get it to be 120. So for 120 what we have to do? 2 by 15, 15 8s are plus 7 by 8, 8 15s are 120. So you will get 2 8s are 16, 15 8s are 120 plus 15 7s are 105 and 120. Add 5 plus 6 11, 1 plus 1 2 and 1 by 120. So you got the answer 121 by 120. Hope you understood. Otherwise, you can take the LCM of all the numbers and convert and then you can do. That is also okay. Is it clear? So we have completed the examples of addition of rational numbers. Hope everyone understood till here. Okay then, bye. Thank you.